All right, folks, I'm going to see if I can't demonstrate the agent feature inside the Warp terminal. So this is on a Mac. I'm remoted into one of my other Macs where I have a Docker container running that has the OpenWebUI. It's for running local and via API other large language models. And it's telling me that I have a new version. So since this is a container, I can go and I know how to do this by hand, right? So I have a Docker Compose YAML. I can shut down my Docker container. I can pull the new version and I can bring it up. I know how to do this. But let's see what the agent feature will do. So I want to refresh to the latest version, the Docker container um, container whose directory we are in. All right, I didn't even tell it that I'm using Docker Compose. So it first wants to check to see if there's a Docker Compose file in the current directory. Like I know there is already, but it doesn't. So now it's checking to see if there is. And then it says, I found a Docker file. To refresh the latest version, we'll now need to pull the latest image, stop the current containers, remove the containers, start up fresh one. So it knows the steps, right? And now it's going to pull the new image. It's doing this on its own. This is not like you go to ChatGPT, you ask a question, it gives you the steps, you copy and paste, right? I told it what I wanted it to achieve. It's figured out how to achieve the objectives. It knows how to say, how can I find out if the Docker Compose file is actually there? Finds it's there, tells me what it wants to do next. And then now, one step at a time, it's guiding me through the solution. And again, this is not new to me. I do know how to do this. This is not a case of, it's because I know how to do this. I wanted to see the agent do it and also to demonstrate to you fine folks. All right, now is it stuck? It's pulled all of them. All right, now it's stopping the container, which again you do Docker Compose down. It removed the old version of the image, created and started the new version. All right, let's see. Again, it did all that. It told me what it did. So let's come in here to my local host. Bring it back up. Log back in. And this is the message you get when you've just upgraded to newer. It tells you what's been changed. So that's a pretty successful test of the agent feature inside. And of course, it has all this. I mean, you could save this as documentation if you wanted to. I think it's pretty cool. You have a great day.